Morning, Missouri. My name is Kudos, and we are here talking about letters. On to Mackenzie.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie, and I'm going to be telling you about the three main ingredients about blizzards. One is cold air, two is lift, and three is moisture. Now on to Bree.
Hi, my name is Bree, and I'm here to inform you the effects about blizzards. Blizzards can cause power outages, auto accidents, and it can cause snow to fall down really fast, which can hurt. Now on to Ayla.
Good morning, Mid-Missouri. I'm going to be giving you some facts about blizzards. A blizzard is a severe snowstorm. Now back to Brooke.
Hi, my name is Brooke, and I'm here to inform you about some survival tips for a blizzard. One thing you should have is a first aid kit. Second thing you should have is a flashlight, a pillow, and a radio to watch the weather. Now back to Ayla for some interesting facts.
Blizzards can also occur after snowfall, when high winds cause whiteouts, falling snow blowing around, and snow drifts, huge mountains of snow, which decreases visibility. Now back to Kobe Jones.
Man's